All right, are we live? Hey, anybody there? Hopefully you're out there. Still learning how to get YouTube super easy to set up. I want to be able to see the the chat of the live stream on my second monitor. That is the goal at the moment. I think I just click go live and then go to stream. Okay, yeah, there we go. So is it sending the stream? Is the stream... So is it streaming? Oh. Alright, so I'll just stop. And we're live! Alright. Hopefully everyone can see me. Alright, cool. We are up and running. Alright, so what we've got here is a bit of a... I've been working on for the last 2 days on this Rust Bevy game. And you can see here, that's kind of hard to see, but so we've got our our constants of the game. We got our main, which adds our systems, which are on startup. We just spawn all of our UI and camera and entities, and then on our fixed update loop, we run all of these systems, which are we have a turn done, change turn, apply velocity, cannonball, break stuff. Yep. And so yeah, we have all of these functions, and then I have a bunch of components and those various systems at the bottom. Here's what it looks like at the moment. And of course I have the dynamic linking on. You can see that here, and the inspector. So well, yeah, you can see that this was recommended. I was having some issues with this on a different in a different Bevy game, but this one it seems to be fine. So here's the idea: is that I've got some money. I can pull back and fire these, and it costs money, and then D changes turn, and I cannot use that. The purchase menu is completely broken at the moment, so that's what. Hopefully, yeah, on your turn will probably give you some money, and hopefully we want this to be based on the amount of stuff, amount of let's say miners or something that you have. But I'm just trying to get the purchase menu first, so we'll have it go. I still want it to be in the center of the screen. I don't know why there's two of these now. So global transform is one of those. All right, so this isn't how. Okay. So right here in this, let's see, spawn purchase UI, and we need to remove the we need to change the button. This is the button that should open it. Hopefully, actually what we should do is probably just change what it says to close. So though we have one button that to open and close the menu. So we'll need a mutable reference to the text of the button. You know, honestly, I think that would work. Let's see. So we spawn the purchase UI, and then we say text equals purchasing, or close actually. And it's freaking out because it wanted a x dot section 0 dot values cancel. There we go. Okay. So it should be the one on the left, I'm guessing. Good old cargo builds. There we go. And now it's not selecting that button, so let's make sure this is, maybe I didn't put this on the button. So this entity has a button in it that makes, oh, but it probably doesn't have text. Do you have to do some kind of with children? Let me see. I did see an example on GitHub. UI button. Yeah, I'm just learning this for the first time pretty much. We've got a system takes in, oh, and that takes the reference to the children. That's how they go. Mutable. Text is children 0 unwrap. There we go. So we'll have to do the same exact same thing. Spawn, purchase button. Is it mutable? Non-mutable reference to children. The text query is separate. Oh, hopefully this works. It's like combining two. Okay. Hello everyone. Hopefully we get some people in here. That'd be cool. It's definitely late. Oh, for where I'm from. That's for sure. Oh, nice. So cancel button does not work, but let's fix that. Okay. Purchase button. Interaction. Okay, so if it's pressed, we need to check before we do that. So we'll match. Oh. So if they are purchasing, commands.entity children. Well, we'll need a handle to the, let's say this purchasing UI. We'll just call it a menu. So we'll close close all menus. Just add that as up here somewhere. Okay, so now we have, hopefully someone shows up, that'd be cool. Oh yeah, spawn takes in two things, like that. There we go, takes in a menu, so this is a menu, and then we will we'll have to query for menu. menu query. There we go. Not children. If they're purchasing, we set them to waiting for action. We set the button to purchase. Put the button color. Okay, yeah, that should work. And then we'll need to do something about the whole menu itself. Purchase, cancel. And here I want to say instead of button. Oh. Here we can't do this both times. We have to do an else. So they're purchasing. If they are waiting for action, then it will do these things. Yep, just like that. That makes sense. And it's not getting despawned. Excuse me. Okay, so all right, menu query. I'm gonna add some debug stuff here. We have our interaction. We'll print out the player state. Let's see. All right. We were waiting for action. We were purchasing, and we're stuck purchasing. Okay. Oh, we're. You know what? I was thinking about using a match statement because it's just. This is what you're supposed to do. This is why you do Rust. And we'll just do a. If we're waiting for action, then we do. And if we're purchasing, do that. Otherwise, do nothing. And should complain about commas. No, okay. Just forgot that. Yeah, there we go. All right. Beautiful. Purchase, cancel. Purchase, cancel. All right. All right. We want to be able to buy another let's say cannon ball. Here, let me drop the. Is there an easy way to get the link to the stream? Oh, share. Copy. Leave that in. Okay, okay. Okay, so each child, this shouldn't be purchased. Why is this cannon? so for each one, we spawn for purchasable. Here, I'll just need to implement toString on this. Does it have? Can you have that? Yeah, okay, so we can take the purchasable and just drop it in. That. So if they click it, so purchase, we need a purchase system, and this should be we need a handle to this button. Oh, here we have this handle here, purchase button, like that. Awesome. And this one takes purchasable. Yeah, okay. All right. Purchase. So we need the commands. Do we need an interaction? We need an interaction query to check if they clicked with purchase. Instead of purchase, it's a purchase button. Yeah. We need to know which player bought it, and text query. I don't think we need the text query. It's a compilative thing. We're editors now in the real world. We don't write code. We mostly just edit. All right. We get the player who clicked it. We get the interaction. We get the text. We don't need the text though. So we match the interaction with purchase. We want the purchase button actually. Excuse me. All right, we're going to take the interaction. Okay, so if it was press, I don't think we care about. Oh, well, actually, I guess we'll do this. That way the button has the same. Actually, we want every button to change color. We'll just make that as its own system so that we don't have to worry about that and everything else. Yeah, okay, there we go. Background color, and we'll just change the color. That way in all these, we don't have to do anything. Color, color. It's already cleaner, yeah. Change the text. We don't need the color. That's nice. Okay. Just put all the color in there, and then that way this doesn't need color either, so it's too many responsibilities. Okay. I should have done a Control-Shift-L on that. Like this. not okay. So all right, so they press the purchase button. Now we need to change the player. Well, we know the player's state is in purchase menu. So it really should be. We know that they're in the purchase menu. Waiting for action in the purchase menu. Okay, so then now we're going to move their state to purchasing. Their state. I kind of want it to be like they click the button. We see a little. I mean, obviously their money gets. Well, here actually, yeah. Before we buy the item, we check. So they click it. We don't want to match. We don't care about the player state. All right, so we're going to check if they can buy it. So if player.money is bigger than purchase dot item dot cost dot, I swear we put that in the item. It's purchasable. Purchasable is an enum. I swear I put. Oh, hang on, wait. We put it up here. Cannonball cost. Do we use it at all? How do we get access to it? Oh. Oh, that's cannonball cost. We want the cannon. All right, now we have a cannon. So I think it should be on purchasable. It should be on the enum. A purchasable component. Cannon. Let me put data on that. I think we can, right? How do we? Oh. Item dot. Well, I think that would give us the. Actually, this might give us the. What is item? Yeah, we'll have to import cost. There we go. That's probably the cleanest way to do it. Okay. Okay, and then we're going to take the money away. Match. If it was a cannon, we put them in the placing state, and the placing state probably. despawn the menu. Placing needs to have info about what type. No such field. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, algebraic data type. Oh, where did I even put that? That was kind of ugly, but man, it was easy to do. Yeah, replacing with some data. Purchasing menu. Yeah, no big deal. Okay, that's no big deal. Hopefully, all right. Let's see. We'll need a new system. I think the system will work. Oh, here I'll just say. We're somewhere in we have a system for just displaying the spawn purchase UI. We just have this money indicator, but I don't know. Maybe it should be. I'm just thinking we want to display. It's debug. It's debug. We should put it in the. So here, I'll just add these systems real quick. Purchase. Eventually, I'll have to move these into their own plugins and stuff, but for now, we don't do that. If it's a Canon, honestly, I don't think we even need to do the match here, do we? Yeah, we don't. Yeah, we don't need the match. All right. This is an interaction on a purchase button. And these are going to be purchase buttons of that item. Okay. I really like the way Bevy works. Your brain, it's really easy for your brain to think about it as just a giant single table of all the entities. And each system just runs over the table. Each frame, kind of, it's a. Can it? We were at one point in time. We should have been purchase menu. We should have been in placing. Did we have enough money? Oh, we were printing it. Maybe, hang on, maybe it needs to be the other person's. There we go. Oh. Just by going, okay, hang on, we need to despawn recursive menu, children. but that's not how we closed it last time. Yeah, we have menu query. We gotta do the same thing. Yeah. All right, I think that's gonna work. All right, based on we don't need this children thing anymore. Oh man, there's no way to just go quickly. All right. So when we're placing, we need to spawn up. We need to spawn. Well, we could. Let's not worry about spawning something that follows the mouse. We'll just have another system that checks it if we're placing. So yeah. All right. Good old Copilot. The old database. Okay. We don't need the interaction query, do we? Yeah, this doesn't make any sense. Oh wait, we want to know if they clicked. So yeah, this doesn't make any sense. Okay, so all right, it doesn't know what's going on. So hang on. So then this doesn't make any sense. If mouse was match interact, we don't need to match the interaction. Don't need this. Here, I'll just rewrite this. If it wasn't just pressed, return. Otherwise, wait, we can move player thing after. Okay, so if they're placing, this is just better if else, I think. But it's two indentions to do it this way. If they're placing, so then we need to spawn. Yeah. Here's where we do the match statement. How do we get the item out? Yeah, isn't it inside here? I think it's called lifting, isn't it? No field item on type player state, but there is a. And we matched. Well, we know that. Lift out the item. If let some placing item. There we go. That works. We don't care about word clicked. We want to be right where the mouse is, so we can look in our collision stuff to see where I did. Cannonball break, select cannon. There we go. So we need this to get the click position. Let, there we go. Yeah, world position not extend. Windows not in scope. Now, do they need a special? Yeah, we need the window. So it knows how big. Camera 3 for the main camera. There we go. Okay. Player is player. Not selected. All right, we going. Vaughn. Oh wait, hang on. I don't think I added them. Yeah, that's right. Is there another one? There's just one, right? Yeah. Oh, it actually. All right, so it's purchased in the cannon. It's just it's right on top, and it actually kind of worked. Okay. Place purchase. Oh, just pressed. Oh, we want just released. And purchase button checks for interaction on. Is this pressed? I think that counts a whole press. Hopefully it does. Alright, so this person can't, but this person can, and it crashed. Oh no, unwrap on... Okay, so we try to place... Oh geez. I hope that we do want to use some kind of spawn cannon function for this. Commands, asset server. Did I take in the asset server for this one? Oh yeah, so we need to pass the asset server. Say we want... And... position. We'll say vec2, just to be funsies. I'll have to hang on. Let me save these. So this will be just so I can reuse this function. But I want to spawn the very first cannon. Actually, to heck with it. We don't need to spawn a first cannon. We can buy them now. Transform translation will be position extend. Cannon size, cannon texture. Random? Yeah, okay. Obviously, spawn cannon doesn't make sense anymore. But we want it to work here. Expected comma. Okay, we need the asset server. Ugh. Expected comma. What comma? It's got to be this one. It doesn't know what position is because that's position. Truncate. I think. Oh, it was different. It was a different one. Clip. Oh, damn it. I forgot the. Let's start with an S. No. Trunk. We gotta clip off that last one. There's a really sexy way to do it. Whatever, I forgot. World position of V2. Oh, is it 2? Okay, it's 2D. Alright, so it's 2D to spawn a cannon. We can even expected comma. Oh, expected comma on this one. Okay. And we close the menu, but the menu is already closed. So we don't need the menu. We do need the, I guess it'll need to be mutable. Wait a minute, these are mutable. That's confusing. I'm sure they would need to be mutable. Maybe not. Maybe you don't need a mutable. Um, this should be purchase menu button. Open, close, purchase menu. Nobody's there. That's just how it is. Alright, well, hopefully someone out there finds this fun. Alright, so we make the, oh, for some reason it wasn't working. Cool to talk to, cool if someone was watching. I need to stream during the day. Okay, so we make the purchase, and then we click Canon, which should be doing this. Just close the, oh. I'm gonna try that again. Obviously there's some other bug, but. Alright, so I say we go to player 2, purchase, Canon. Well, I did place a Canon. Did another Canon. This should be flipped, so depending on the player. I'm going to do this first, even though I shouldn't really be doing that. Translation, flip Y, like that. If there were one would be false, I believe. No. Well, we'll see. Yeah. Cancel. Oh, we need to change it back to. We should make that its own. The menu button. open, close, purchase menu. This is basically whenever you interact with that button. Honestly, open, close, purchase menu. We shouldn't have it do the text. Should just have it change the state. Despawn. Yeah, this, but the button is the yeah. Let me just keep those there, and then just make another one. Open, close, purchase menu text. Fun stuff. Okay, so we need we need to know current player. Okay, so hang on, but on this one we don't need. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't even need. I don't even think we need this. Nice and yeah, we want our systems to be super short and super readable for the most part. You know? Okay, the text needs the. We don't even need the children. We need the children of a player text menu. Don't care about the menu. I don't even care about commands, I think. So this is just children. Match the interaction. We don't really care about matching the interaction. We match this player's state, and we don't care about this. We just set the text. And this is where you can some idiomatic rest equals match player state. Look at that. Beautiful. Otherwise it's purchase. So it's if we're in the purchase menu, this should be cancel. If we're waiting, non-exhaustive parameters. Yeah, okay, if we're waiting, there is not immutable, that's true. Cool. Gotta have your giant. This is a giant. It's starting to get kind of crazy. I need to figure out how to when they when they actually click the button to cancel purchase cancel. Nice. Oh, that's a lot of interactions. What am I interacting with? Maybe there's no interaction. Who's printing? Oh, it's this one. Yeah, there's no interaction. Um, do we need the menu to actually change? Eh. Too much overhead for my brain. Purchase Canon. Cancel. Purchase Canon. Okay, but we need to. Okay, so we really need to do is figure out how to get the placement to not go right away. So I was looking for if it was not released, return. I think the problem is that interaction works with pressed. Just pressed. If it was not. Excuse me. Hey, that worked. Let's go. I don't know why I changed it from last time. Oh yeah. Purchase a Canon? I kind of feel like that button should hide. Yeah. I'll just move the. Okay, so what I should do is move these menus to the side and then just kind of be done with it. Okay, spawn UI. Align items, center, justify content. How did I do it before? With style top and then right. You know what? But I don't. Maybe I don't want absolute just because. Just that I can. Oh, I just want it to be on the right side. So here, let's do this. Let's do. line items. Oh, is this a here, let's not do this. Width. Where's the purchase button? Just getting some styles in here. Oh, this will be fun, just to because we all know this did not work the first time. There's just not a shot, and I should probably stop soon. Purchase. Honestly, that looks pretty, not that bad. The only problem was with the little buttons. Was it this one? With height, was it the height that was weird? I mean, honestly, it looked pretty good otherwise. Alright, so we also need the menu to close on turn change. Change turn. Okay. Event. Oh, for event. Yeah. Close the menu. And the text changes all the time. Okay, I think this should work. Good. Purchase a cannon. What's going on there? Maybe we need to do something where we set the state after somehow. Open, close. Yeah, purchase UI. No, purchase. Kind of feel like, well, maybe we just need to check for purchase. Maybe it's a scheduling thing. So place purchase and I think purchase, right? To buy the thing and then we place it. Place or here, wait, we need to do the other way around. That way we don't accidentally do, yeah. I think that would do it. Purchase a cannon. Boom. But we don't. Okay, let's do on our turn end. I wanted to add some money. That's pretty easy. Change turn. We already get the player. Yeah, mutably. So we'll just make some money. Cannot find player. Right there. Is this checking? Is this making the? This is a for loop. Oh boy. So the player waiting for action gets it $100. Yeah, there we go. You know what? This started to actually become a little bit of fun. Got another box. So you probably, I mean, it'll probably be something like each cannon can only hold so many, so that's why I'll have to buy more cannons. But now if you build a, now we could build a, I mean, we could easily, let's see how quickly we can add a board to our purchasing system. So what we do is we just, it should, Gus should yell at us once we add it here. Come on, Copilot. That's bread and potato. Bread and potatoes. I don't even know what I'm saying. Board. Here, I'll put the costs together. Kind of just makes sense. Starting money. There we go. Now it should yell at us, say non-exhaustive parameters. So let's say we placed a, if it's a board, we, wait, why didn't this? I did it anyway. All right. Spawn board. Commands. Server. We don't care which player it's for. I'm taking the position. Okay. And this is mostly, it's just this part. And this part, like that. More health. I guess we're taking the player too. Extend. Commands is up. And player not in the scope. Player num. And board health, that's no big deal, right? There we go. All right, now we actually can spawn a board. Oh, we want the player num. Could not use a moved value. Oh. Binary passed by mutable reference. Yeah, it was passed by mutable reference. That means we'll need to change it here. We might need to change it here too. Use of move value asset server. Oh, because it's in a loop. Come on, take a reference. All right. I think we placed the item. Oh, this was placing. Yeah, this should have just worked. The only thing we had to do is denote how to place it. We really should have place purchase. Oh, so I should really have a place purchasable. Canon. Oh, I must not have added it somewhere. Spawn purchase UI. Oh, right here. Yep. Oh, that's right. We wanted to iterate through just. I'll have to implement the iterate mode myself. I can't do it without it. I'll just implement it myself. It's fine. This better be this should be super. Oh, only as the next function. Nice. Okay. Expected value found enum purchasable. Oh, come on. Yeah, it bits out of purchasable. I guess we could. What is this? Yeah. Can't we iterate? Oh, come on. I swear. Iter implement iter. Is a thing. Function next match. If it's an A. Yeah. Iter. Oh wait, bang bang iter. Always iter. That makes. Oh. Alright, I guess that works. It's not horrible. It's just your own, as long as your own implementation, but it's. Is that fine? No, it's fine. Oh, we didn't need to dereference anyway. Oh, it does because of the clone. Purchase a cannon. Oh, this is nice. Alright, something's up with. Oh, my computer's warm. Your YouTube video is not receiving a video. Uh-oh. Yeah, whatever. Who cares? Hopefully the stream is nice enough. There's nobody here telling me it's not. I'll watch it after. Alright, but hang on, something's going on weird with the tops. Yeah, I need to double check that. Spawn boards. Okay, so if it's let's see with fire. Otherwise, ugh. Okay, first we multiply by the boards. First we multiply by board size. Restart my streaming software. I mean, I guess it's still alive. All right. So we multiply by, for the other one, we multiply by board size. Subtract. Should probably be plus the board size, and this one should be. So we add this, then we subtract. Oh, that looks good. That looks nice. I mean, by nice, I mean like these are horrible. But on if that. Wait, why do our players have different amounts of money? It's kind of, I mean, it was just a different shape then, but they're starting money. There we go. Okay, I think we're about to reach a stopping point here. Let's see, that's about 1, 2, I guess it is about 4 by. Alright. Cool ass stopping point. We added the purchasing menu. Not pretty, but it's functional. Purchase a cannon. Oh, can't. Boom. And right now you can buy them anywhere, but that wouldn't be the case. Hopefully, I mean, I probably should make this a grid-based game. Okay. Cool. See y'all next time.